So guys, hello everyone. Here we have this place and we're going to completely renovate it. So we're dismantling the lathing. It stood here for 2 years. The lathing was out in the open air. What are you saying? Snow, fog, and sun didn't affect the membrane, right? Alright guys, so the scaffolding is already installed, the hangers are mounted. Yeah, on this side too. There are already wooden ones in the back from before. We added a few things and will now start installing the battens. Dynamic. Subtitles provided by Simon. Fairy tales, they chose to tell me stories. Look here, guys, it's 2024 now, and you see this house. We built it back in 2019. We also came to build a bathhouse for the client, and here it is. We built the bathhouse nice and neat. And this house, this facade, has been standing for 5 years now. As you can see, all the facade panels look just as new as they did before. Well, they've gotten a little green from all the trees, bushes, and pollen settling on them, so everything turns a bit green. You can wash it off with a pressure washer, and here you can see our drip edges. They're all nice, the starter pieces, nothing has rotted or rusted. Alright guys, so we've pumped up the canister. Now I'll give you a quick review. We can see and appreciate the beauty here. We finished the pile foundation with these panels and installed the J profile. We also installed the drip edges. We also installed facade panels that look like brick. Here is how everything looks. We installed the gutter system. We installed the soffits, the frame, the battens, mounted everything on the roof cornices. Basically, we did everything turnkey. Also, let's walk over here. There will be a drainage system here. The water will go here. We have this little hatch. The hatch, I basically showed it to you before. Here we have a window. So let's move on. Looking from this angle, here we have a fence. It's not very convenient. We look, we see, we observe. What a beauty we have here. So you can't really see it from here, but up there there's a ventilation grill installed. A little grill, we also installed it here. The foundation with these panels. That's how it is. This is the kind of beauty we end up with. Let's look here. We have a window. By the way, the bathhouse is assembled from timber. Here we can see, observe, what a nice little window we have. It turned out beautiful. We finished it, and here an aluminum window is also installed. Also, everything here is fastened with rivets, not with screws, but with little rivets. We installed it here. We have this kind of connection here. A windowsill flashing and a foundation divider. We have a flashing. Something like that. So here we can see we joined two window flashings together. Here we can also see, observe. I haven't removed the film here yet because the guys are still walking around, so that we don't scratch anything here yet. We also brought out, there will be some lights here, and these are the wires for them. We can see, we observe, there's also a nice little grate there, and the door is installed in this format, something like that. There will be tiles here, and also on the steps. That's basically it.